Hi, welcome to Sims. Today we are going to learn about the reflection of mirrors at curved surfaces. Well, let us do some numericals based on that. And as we are very familiar about the mirror formula, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v, where f indicates the focal length, u the object distance, and v image distance. This is the formula we have come across. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. F the focal length of the given mirror, u the object distance, and v the image distance. Now, by solving the numericals, we have come across the sign conventions. Yeah, we have seen some rules for sign conventions. Number one, all the distances must be calculated from pole. Number two, the direction of incident ray is considered as positive and that of opposite is considered as negative. And number three, if the object is present above the principal axis, its height must be considered as positive. If it is present below the principal axis, its height must be considered as negative. We have come across these sign conventions. Okay, how to give signs? Well, let us see a very suitable shortcut for this. Please keep that in mind. For any for whether it might be a mirror or a lens, concave and convex. Let us see first. The object distance u must be taken always as negative. It might be lens or mirror, whether it might be concave or convex. Mirror aina sare, lens aina sare. Concave kanivandi, convex kanivandi. The object distance u anedi eppudaina negative e undali. Now, for coming to concave, lens or mirror, the focal length must be taken as negative, and for convex, mirror or lens, the focal length must be taken as positive. Focal length ఒకటి మాత్రమే తేడా వస్తుంది, that is concave lens కి కానివ్వండి mirror కి కానివ్వండి f, that is the focal length must be taken as negative, and for convex, either for mirror or lens, f must be taken as positive. Then what about v? That is the image might be formed sometimes inside the mirror or outside, that means a real image or the virtual image can be formed. That means depending upon the image so formed, we shall take. And one more important thing we have to keep in our mind here is that we should not give any sign for the unknown value. మనకి తెలియని దానికి u కానివ్వండి f కానివ్వండి మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి తెలియని దానికి మనం అసలుకి సైన్ అనేది ఇవ్వకూడదు. Hope you got it. Either for concave or convex, lens or mirror, u is always negative. For concave, mirror or lens, f is negative. For convex, mirror or lens, f is positive. We know the mirror formula. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Super. ikkada varaku manaki okay. Let us try to solve a numerical based on this. Okay, let us consider an object of size. An object of size. I have come across so many of my students. Size ఇచ్చిన చోట u value తీసుకుంటారు. Size indicates the height of the object. Let us say the object of size, that is HO 4 centimeters, is kept in front of a concave mirror. We are given a concave mirror whose focal length, let us say it has 10 centimeters మనకి ఇచ్చారు. Now it is given as concave and neat గా మెన్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు the focal length, already we have written the sign conventions. The focal length of a concave mirror or lens is always taken as negative. Is now an object of size 4 centimeters, that is h naught equals to 4 centimeters, is kept in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters, f minus 10 తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. Now at a distance, let us assume the object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeters from the mirror. Now what is the sign convention to be given? Sign for the object distance, whether it might be lens or mirror, concave or convex, u is always negative. That means u is minus 20 centimeters. Now we got it? Yes, we are asked to find, mention or calculate the image distance and nature of the image. Now first of all, let us find the image distance. Let us apply the mirror formula. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, f, that is minus 10 centimeters. 1 by minus 10 equals to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by v. Okay, let us bring that minus 1 by 20 to this side. We can keep this negative sign in the numerator, no issues. Minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 equals to 1 by v. LCM of 10 and 20 again, 20. 10 twos, 1 twos 2. 20 ones, 1 ones 1. That is 1 by v. Hence, minus 1 by 20 equals to 1 by v. In the sense, finally we obtain value of v as minus 20 centimeters. Now we found the image distance. Image distance minus 20. Minus indicates the image is formed on the same side where the object is kept. అంతే కదా, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ నెగటివ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాము అన్నప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ నెగటివ్ వచ్చింది అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎట్ సైడ్ ఉంటుందో ఇమేజ్ కూడా అటే ఫామ్ అయింది. ఓకే, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రియల్ ఆర్ వర్చువల్, లెట్ us try to understand now. Okay, finally we obtain v value. Okay, let us go for magnification. Magnification m equals to minus v by u, that is minus of minus 20 by u, it is minus 20 again. Minus into minus plus 20 by minus 20 gets cancelled. Minus 1. M value is minus 1. M value negative indicates the image is inverted. Inverted in the sense it is real. Okay, we came to understand, we got the image which is real and inverted. Okay, as m equals to 1, because modulus of m, if we get it as 1, the object size is the image size is same as that of the object. Okay, let us find by using the formula anyway. M equals to, we have hi by ho, m minus 1, hi by ho, we got it as 4. Finally we obtain hi is minus 4 centimeters. This negative sign indicates the negative sign of the image. That means the image is inverted. And if you observe here carefully, we got the object distance as 20 centimeters, the same image distance as 20 centimeters. That means if it is a concave mirror, this is pole, let us say this has focus, this has center of curvature. The focus is given as 10 centimeters in the sense object is kept at center of curvature, that is 20 centimeters. If the object is kept at center of curvature, the image is formed at center of curvature, as we know according to the ray diagrams. Okay, now I hope you people understand this. That means we have taken f as negative, the focal length is given, and the object distance should be taken always is negative. What if we consider the same problem for convex mirror? Nothing is the difference, I hope. Same answer vastunda? Should. Same answer vastunda rada అనేది let us check it out here. But ఇక్కడ మనం చేంజ్ చేసింది మిర్రర్ని. ఏ మిర్రర్? కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ని తీసేసి మనము కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ని పెట్టాం. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్కి మళ్ళీ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ ఏంటి? ఓకే, ఏ మిర్రర్ అయినా లెన్స్ అయినా we know that is negative, but for concave convex mirror now we are taking it is not concave. For convex we are taking, for convex mirror f should be taken as positive. Now that means the focal length is plus 10 centimeters, HO the same, the size, the height of the object, the size of the object 4 centimeters, object distance is same 20 centimeters. Object distance u ఎప్పుడైనా నెగటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. కాన్కేవ్ కానివ్వండి, కాన్వెక్స్ కానివ్వండి, మిర్రర్ అయినా కానివ్వండి, లెన్స్ అయినా కానివ్వండి. But focal length f should be taken as negative for concave mirror or lens, and the focal length f should be taken as positive for convex mirror or lens. Now let us apply the formula, mirror formula. We know that 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by f it is 1 by 10 equals to 1 by u. This time u is minus 20. Okay, we are supposed to find the value of v. Let us bring that minus 1 by 20 to this side, then we get plus 1 by 20. LCM of again 10 and 20 is 20. 10 to 1 to 2, 21 is 1. This is 1 by v, or 3 by 20 equals to 1 by v. If we make inverted loop, we get the value of v as 20 by 3 centimeters. We do not consider that object distance in terms of decimals. Now decimals to these calls now from Enledo. Sorry, approximately if we consider here 20 by 3, 3 6 are 18 point again 6 centimeters, and if we stop at the second decimal point 6 7 centimeters approximately. Okay, now let us move on to the magnification. M value it is minus v by u, minus 20 by 3 by u it is again minus 20. Minus gets cancelled. 1 by 3. M value is 1 by 3 which is less than 1. It indicates image is diminished. And mod m, if it is less than 1, image is diminished. Mod m, if it is greater than 1, image is enlarged. మనం ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఓకే 1 by 3 which is less than 1, the image we got it as diminished. As we know, in case of convex mirrors we always get a diminished image. గుర్తుంది కదా? Okay, that's why where do we use convex mirrors? For rear view mirrors for vehicles. Oh no, even I got it out. Why shouldn't we use a plane mirror instead of a convex mirror for rear view mirrors? Okay, let us discuss it later. First I will choose down. Okay, we got magnification value. Let us find the height of the image. M equals to hi by ho. That is m we got it as 1 by 3. Hi we need to find out. Ho it is given as 4, which implies hi equals to 4 by 3. That means the height of the image is 4 by 3 centimeters. We got the diminished image. Okay, now we understood totally. In the sense, u should be taken always as negative for any kind of mirror or lens. F should be negative for concave mirror or lens. F should be positive for convex mirror or lens. We should not give the sign for the unknown value. V ki manam elanti sign ikkada ivvaledu. Ade vidhanga magnification value తీసుకుంటే mod m if it is less than 1 the image is diminished. Mod m if it is greater than 1 image is enlarged. Okay, now finally we understood this is mirror formula. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. these two numericals. I hope you people understood. Okay, let us. I asked a question. Why don't we use a plane mirror instead of convex mirror as rear view mirrors? ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కానీ యూజ్ చేస్తే సపోజ్ నేను ఎంత ఉన్నానో అంత మొత్తంగా చూపిస్తుంది. Yes or no? How much is the size of the object? The same will be the size of the image. Suppose I am driving a car. I used plane mirror as my rear view mirror as a side mirrors instead of a convex mirror. Then a lorry, వెనకాల నుంచి ఒక లారీ వస్తుంది. ఆ లారీ టైర్ కూడా మొత్తం కనపడదు నాకు. But if it is a convex mirror, because it always forms a diminished image, we can view for the farther distance at the same time the entire object which is present at our back side. Okay, this is the thing. This a small two numericals about the mirror formula. Hope you people understand. Okay, if there are any doubts, please put in the comment box, in the comments in the comment box below. Thank you very much, and signing off. Bye.